Hi guys, today we are going to replace the ice maker for the Samsung fridge. So there is two ice maker, so both are like a separate unit but combined comes with one full unit. So what I mean, like there will be a different size of ice in different ice maker. So for this customer, one of the ice maker tray was broken and the water was leaking completely to the ice dispenser tray, and it was just making a full cube of ice. So it was a problem for him, and we wanted to replace just a tray for this model, but they says like the model comes with the single unit, so which means he has to replace everything just for that broken tray. So as you can see, we already take the full compartment of two ice maker assembly. So we are replacing one of those which is on the right hand side. So now I already took it out. As you can see, there is a clip, so we just need to push the clip a little bit, and while putting the new ice maker assembly, you just need to be very careful so that no wires are tangled. Otherwise, the wire for the, especially for the sensor, if they tangle, it might be broken, and again your ice maker will not be working, and you have to get a new assembly. You have to get a new assembly because you cannot get a simple, the separated parts for the ice maker. So as you can see, I was little bit cautious while doing this job so that I don't break the wire of the sensor. So I'm checking up and down everywhere if I before clipping it, if I just tangle the wire or not. That's what as you can see, I already put the ice maker back into the full assembly. So I just make sure all the wires is coming up so that we can clip it properly to here. And here because there was no tray in it, there was a frozen ice coming out from the tube, as you can see. So I just wanted to show you these things, just to make sure. You just need to take those cubes ice away from it before you putting all those things back. Otherwise there will not be flow of the water, so that there won't be ice, and you might be getting in chaos or any confusions. So just to remove those confusions and things, I just wanted to make you clear. You just need to clear all those things. As you can see, I already put those clips back in. Now the only one thing is remaining. You just put in the right spot the whole tray and put the screwdriver. So there is no clips and such things, so just need to make sure you put in the right spot and put those two screw back into the positions, so that everything, the flow of the water comes into the ice tray and everything goes okay. So this is all about the replace the ice maker for this model. So if you guys have a problem with the cubes or like the tray is broken, you need to replace the ice maker. As you can see, we will be like posting the model of this ice maker at the end. The final thing you need to do is test the ice maker. You can see there is a button which is written test in the ice maker assembly. So you just need to press and hold the test button, so that if the tray is revolving around, that means your ice maker is fully connected and it will be working fine. So you just need to wait at least 7 to 8 hours to get the new ice into the ice maker. So this is all about today's videos, and the model is go here. Thank you for watching us, and please do subscribe us.
So you checked its 10 and everything?
Yeah.